As the exam is round the corner, you might be having sleepless nights. You might be thinking, what if on that particular day nothing goes in your favor? What if on that particular day you are not able to perform? I want you to put a stop to these thoughts right there and try to rewire your brain to see the positive outcomes of this whole preparation journey. When we set our mind on a specific goal, we tend to forget the small, little, intangible achievements that we gain in the course of that preparation, in the course of that journey. I want you to reflect on your journey today and see what all things you have achieved in this entire preparation. जावेद अख्तर बोलते हैं, क्यों डरें कि जिंदगी में क्या होगा, कुछ ना हुआ तो तजुर्बा होगा. So let's try to reflect on the experience that you have gained, and with those experience, the wisdom and the intelligence that you have gained. Try to remember the very first day you took your mock. You were nervous, you were anxious, you had a lot of jitters. But now, see yourself when you walk into an examination hall taking the mock. You are more confident, you are bolder, and you are self-assured. This is because you have mastered the art of controlling your nervous energy. You have also learned how to excel in a pressure environment. The pressure or the stress of an examination hall does not deter you. You possibly take it in your stride and go along performing in your mock. So this is not a mean accomplishment. Congratulate yourself for achieving this. मंजिलें मिल जाएंगी भटकते हुए ही सही, गुमराह तो वो हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. So you have started your journey for achieving a big goal. Along the way, you gain knowledge. Knowledge not only of the subjects that you studied for or prepared for, but also knowledge about yourself. You are much more educated about what is it that makes you perform and what is it that makes you not perform. You know your strengths, you know your weaknesses, you know which environment is conducive for you to perform better. You know which element impacts your performance. You know what you are good at, you know what you are weak in. So you know about yourself. This journey of self-awareness, self-discovery is again something which you should celebrate, because this journey of self-awareness is going to pave the way for bigger accomplishments in life. Moreover, remember the day when you first time scored low marks. You started doubting yourself. You were not assured whether you will be able to pull it off. But see yourself now. Whenever you score low marks, you see it as a mark for improvement. You see it as an opportunity for improving better in the next mock. You have become a lot more resilient. You have started to take these failures or setbacks in your stride. This is something which is a mark of a person who is on a path of relentless excellence, because persistence is the key. So this is something which you have achieved along the way of this preparation. So instead of focusing on what wrong can happen on that particular day, try to see what you have become in this course of journey. You have become sharper, you have become stronger, you have become more confident about your achievements. I hope with these thoughts you can shape your brain to start seeing things in a positive light. You have actually prepared yourself for bigger, higher and greater goals. And believe me, for all of us, you are already a winner, because you have come this far. You have come this far despite all the doubts, despite all the circumstances, despite all the hardship, despite all the failures. You showed up, and that is what makes you a winner already. If you get selected in your dream college, that's going to be like an icing on the cake. So stay relentless in your pursuit, and believe me, getting selected in this college is not the end of the journey. Listen to me. थोड़ा तड़पाएगी, थोड़ा तरसाएगी, ये मंजिल है, मौत नहीं मेरे दोस्त, जो पल में आ जाएगी. So stay persistent in your pursuit of excellence. You will get there. Thank you.